Hello kids, good morning to you all. Hope you are doing good at home. Yes, okay. Today I am going to teach you the subject EVS. Okay, in that the topic is healthy habits and keeping clean. Okay, are you all ready for the class? Yes. Shall we begin now? Okay. Children, all of you are aware now that the whole world is suffering, right? You know why? Yes, there is a Chinese virus. It has spread all over the world, okay? And everyone is suffering now because of this disease, okay? Yes. So, children, what we have to do? Yes, in order to protect ourselves from all this unhealthy environment, okay, we need to keep ourselves very clean, yes, so that the diseases are not spread, okay, and keeping healthy and keeping clean will help the total universe, right? It will help the total our surroundings everywhere, okay, because of the unhygienic conditions, okay, unhygienic means not cleanly, okay, since we are not keeping ourselves clean, yes, now these diseases are spread, okay, all over the world. So what we have to do, children? Yes, we need to follow ourselves, okay, certain tips, okay, and certain we need to keep ourselves always clean, yes, okay. As children, what you can do yourself, okay, yes, okay. Children, in today's class, I am going to teach you about the healthy habits and keeping clean, yes, okay. Shall we sing this song, children? Yes. Okay. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Give them all a treat. How to do? Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Give them all a treat. Brush up and down. See? You have to brush up and down. Yes. Brush up and down and all around. Okay. To keep them clean and neat, okay. Shall we sing it again? Brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Give them all a treat. Brush up and down, brush up and down and all around to keep them clean and neat, okay. Then, in the morning and at night, clean them twice a day. Okay, how many times you have to clean your teeth? Yes, okay. In the morning and at night. Okay, children. In the morning and at night. Clean them twice a day, okay? Clean them twice a day. Brush up and down and all around. Keep fillings well away, okay? See, when you eat certain food, okay, all the food will be filled, okay, inside your teeth, right? So what you have to do, you need to brush up and down and all around to keep fillings well away, okay, to keep fillings well away, okay. Yes, children, now you came to know, yes, one tip, okay. What is that? Brushing your teeth, okay. You need to brush your teeth how many times in a day? Twice a day, okay. Yes, children, one of the best healthy habits, okay, being the children is to brush your teeth, okay. Children, do you brush your teeth every day? Yes, okay. When do you brush your teeth, children? Yes. Yes, when you wake up in the morning, right? Yes, what you have to do, you need to sleep early at night, okay? What you have to do? You need to sleep early at night. That is also one of the healthy habits, yes? Not sleeping very late, okay? You need to sleep very early in the morning. Sleeping early in the morning, okay? What happens, children, when you sleep early in the sleeping early at night? If you sleep early at night, okay, you can wake up early in the morning, right? Yes. Sleeping early at night, okay, that's one of the important healthy habits you need to follow. Yes, children? Yes. Okay, sleeping early at night, okay. Second one, if you sleep early at night, you can wake up early in the morning. Waking up early in the morning, okay, waking up early in the morning. Yes. Okay, sleeping early at night, okay, waking up early in the morning. Once you wake up, what you need to do? Yes, you can drink one glass of water, yes, okay. Then, but you need to brush your teeth, children, yes, that's very important. Do you all brush? Do you cry in the morning to brush your teeth? Do you become lazy to brush your teeth? No, right? Yes. Children, you need to be very punctual, okay? And you need to brush your teeth without missing, okay? Brush your teeth. Okay, if you brush your teeth, you can give a treat to your teeth, right? Yes, they will be very happy if you brush your teeth, right? Yes. Okay, so brush your teeth once in the morning and after, that's at night, okay? One in the morning and at night, okay? So twice a day you need to brush your teeth, okay? Twice a day, okay? Then, okay, once you get up, you will brush your teeth. Then what will you do again? You need to wash your face, right? Not only brushing your teeth, you will be at sleep, right? Once you wake up, you need to wash your face, right? Yes. How do you wash your face? How do you wash your face, children? By using some, yes, using soap, yes, okay, some this thing, okay, to cleanse your body, okay. How you will wash? Using the water, yes, take some water and you need to wash your face, okay. How do you brush your teeth? Using the toothbrush, right, and using the paste, yes, toothpaste, okay. You will press the toothpaste and you will hold your toothbrush, okay, and have some paste, okay. Then you will start brushing your teeth, okay. Yes, and you will have some water inside. You will sprinkle that water also inside your mouth, yes. Okay. So, how do you wash your face? Using some soap or some other some other things, okay. You will wash your face, okay. What will you do after washing your face? Yes, you will clean the face, right? Yes, clean the face using some napkins, yes, or using some cloth, yes, okay, or some towel. Using that you need to clean your face, children, yes. Will you all do that? Yes, okay, fine. Now, what else you need to do? You need to comb your hair, right? You need to comb your hair, otherwise it will look ugly, right? Okay, though you have a very short hair, you need to comb it once in the morning, right? Yes. What you have to do? Comb your hair, yes. Comb your hair, okay. Yes. Will you agree? Is this a healthy habit? Yes, okay. Then you not only wash your face, children, along with washing the face, you need to wash your hands. That's most important. Yes, yes. All the germs, virus and other diseases are spread, okay, with our hands. Yes. So what you have to do, you need to wash your hands. Okay, how do you wash your hands? Yes, with water, and now there are other cleaning things also, okay, available. So using those, yes, you will wash your face, okay, then you will wash your hands, right? Yes, you will wash your face, you will wash your hands, okay. Then sometimes children, you will go to the toilet, right, in the morning, yes, okay. After the toilet, what you have to do? You need to wash your hands, okay, after the toilets. That's also the important thing, okay. Yes, will you all follow that? Yes, okay, good, very good. Okay, children, all of you, if you are following all these healthy habits, okay, without anyone telling you, then you are a very good child. Yes, yes, you always a very good child, okay. Children, if you are following all this habits, healthy habits, okay. Yes, children, let us once again see here. See, sleeping early at night, okay, and minimum 8 to 9 hours of sleep you have to, okay, at night. Then waking up early in the morning, yes, the second one. Third one, brushing your teeth, yes, okay, twice a day, one in the morning and at night, yes. Then washing your face and hands, yes, washing your face and hands, okay. When you wash your hands, okay, don't waste the water, children. Turn on the tap, turn off the tap, yes. Water is very precious, right? Okay, so what you have to do, turn on the tap, then you take some water as much you want, yes, and you can have some soaps or other hand sanitizers or some liquids, anything, okay. Then wash your hands, turn off the tap, yes, that's most important, yes. Then wash your face and hands, okay, washing your face in the morning, then hands also, and even sometimes your feet also, right? Yes, all things you have to follow, yes. Then comb your hair, yes, you need to comb the hair, okay, yes, otherwise it looks shabby, right? Okay, so this is the 5 important tips, okay. Let's see some more, okay. What are the other tips you need to follow to keep yourself healthy? Yes, okay. Then all things done, okay. Yes, now what you have to do, you have to take a bath, yes. Yeah, do you take a bath every day? Okay, what you have to do, have some bath, okay. While taking bath, use the soap, okay, yes, or some bathing liquids or something dry, okay, required, yes. Bath your body, then you need to rub your body, yes, yes, you need to do that, yes, okay. Take the wipe clothes, right, yes, and using that you need to clean your body. Then wear some clean clothes, okay, wear some clean clothes, okay, not the used clothes, children. After bathing you need to use, okay, the fresh clothes, okay, which are washed, okay, which are washed and cleaned, yes, sometimes even ironed also, yes. You need to wear some good clothes, okay. When the school starts, okay, children, these things, okay, you need to get ready for the school, right? How will you get ready yourself? How do you get ready? Yes, after brushing, you need to take the bath, yes. Then you have to wear some clean clothes, okay, yes. Then what do you have to do? You will have the shoes, right? Okay, will you clean the shoes also? Yes. Will you tie the shoelaces also? Okay, fine. Wearing shoes and tying the shoelaces and keeping the shoes also clean, that's also important. thing. Okay, clean your shoes. Okay, cleaning your shoes and tying the shoelaces. Okay, yes. Then what else? One more thing, everything you have done now to keep clean. Yes, now you have to keep your stomach also happy, right? What you have to do? You have to eat the breakfast. Okay, early in the not in early, the morning what you eat, that is called breakfast. Okay, what do you call as breakfast? Okay, have a good breakfast. Okay, have a good breakfast. Okay, what you will have for a breakfast? Yes, you don't eat any junk food, children. Yes, we should avoid using junk food like Maggi and that pizza, burger. Okay, those are the junk food and the oily foods. Okay, that you avoid. Okay, early in the morning what you have to do for the breakfast, you can have some dosa, chapati or the rice items. Yes, that's all keeps your body healthy, right? And you can have some vegetables. Yes, cut vegetables. Yes, okay. So, and even the sprouts. Okay, everything you can eat. Okay, which is good at nutrition. Okay, and you have to drink 1 cup of milk, children. Yes, okay, children should always drink milk, right? Yes, do you drink milk? Yes, do you pamper yourself to your mother? No. Yes, okay, children, always you need to have a good breakfast in the morning. Yes, you need to have a very good breakfast. Okay, you need to drink 1 cup of milk. Yes, along with that you have to eat enough, okay, food. Okay, so that you should not feel hungry. Yes, okay, good. So have the breakfast. Okay, that's most important. Yes, what else you need to do after breakfast? Will you come just like that? No, you need to wash your hands also, right? You need to keep clean. Yes, okay, don't forget to do that. Okay, then what else you need to do? Have breakfast. Okay, then what else? You need to have the lunch also in the afternoon, right? Yes, have a lunch. Okay, I will write here, have a breakfast, then lunch, and even there is one more thing. Yes, dinner. Yes, so now let me tell you, breakfast you had. So once in the afternoon, what will you have? Yes, you need to have some good vegetables. Yes, rice, vegetables, chapati, roti. Okay, that is for lunch. Okay, yes, and you have to drink water. That is the most important thing. Okay, you need to drink. Yes, okay, drink a cup of water. Yes, okay, lunch that is over, then you need to eat some fruits, vegetables. Yes, you know fruits, what all fruits you eat? Banana, apple, yes, orange, pineapple. Okay, yes. Now what about the dinner, children? Dinner you can have some light food. Okay, yes, not to have sufficient food. Okay, you can have some light food for your dinner. Okay, so children, in order to keep yourself healthy, you need to have your breakfast. Don't miss your breakfast. Okay, don't ask your parents to tell you every day eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything. You should be on time to eat all your food. Okay, without saying anyone. Okay, will you do that? Yes, okay, have a breakfast, have a lunch, and have a dinner. Is that sufficient, children, to keep yourself healthy? No. What you have to do again? You need to play a lot. Yes, okay. So let me write here, have a play. Yes, have a play, or play in the ground. Have a, or we can write like this, play in the ground. Okay, children, you need to play. You need to play a lot. Okay, any game. Okay, you need to run. You need to jump. You need to do lot of exercises because you are growing. Yes. Okay, so children who are going to grow, right? So what you have to do, you need to do a lot of exercise, and you have to give exercise to your body. Okay, so that you will keep yourself healthy, children. Yes. Okay, I think all the things which I have discussed right now is about keeping yourself healthy as well as to keep yourself clean. Okay, so I hope you will do all of the tips, okay, and whatever things I shared with you. Yes. Okay, let me meet you in my next class. Okay, and I will ask you certain exercises to do. Okay, so that you will remember all the tips which I shared you today. Okay. Okay, I will meet you in my next class, children. Until then, bye.